Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and I did a makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, and it just feels so freaking bomb just coming back and doing my makeup, like doing this tutorial. I don't know, I feel so complete. I feel like I haven't done my makeup, like makeup in so long. I usually just do simple makeup because I go to school and it's usually in the morning and I hate waking up early, so I just do something really simple. But it just feels so nice just having my full face done, and I just love this eyeshadow. It turned out so freaking cute. Sorry, my hair is like not working with me right now. I don't know why, but whatever. So if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start by applying the shade Perfectionist, and I'm just going to be applying that right in the crease of my eyes, and I'm just going to be blending. Then I'm going with the color Crazy, and I'm just mainly concentrating on applying the color like in the outer corners and inner corners of my eyes, and of course the crease as well. And I'm just going to be blending the color out, and yeah, I'm just gonna make sure it's really nice and blended. Then I'm going to be applying the color Oh Hello, and I'm just going to be repeating the same steps. So yeah, and also I'm just making sure both of the colors are blended together, and yeah. And I'm going in with this dark color, which is a black, and I'm just going to be applying it right in the outer corners and inner corners of my eyes. And with this color I really wanted to like apply it really gentle because it's black, and sometimes when you use black it's just too much going on, but I made sure it's like really light, and I made sure it's really nice and blended. Then I'm just going to be applying some concealer right on the center of my crease, just getting it ready for my next eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying the color Ride or Diamonds, and this color is so freaking pretty. Well, it's actually a shimmer and it's so freaking cute. So yeah, that's what I did. So after that, I went ahead and went back to my other brush, and I made sure both of the colors are nice and tight together, that way we will have no harsh lines. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'll be using the black and the burgundy color that I use for my crease right under my waterline. Then I'm going back with Ride or Diamonds, and I'm just applying that shimmer right in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm just going to be applying some lashes. By the way, I don't know which lashes I applied that day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then I went ahead and primed my face with the Hangover Primer by Too Faced, and then I mixed my Fenty Beauty and my Wet n Wild foundations, because the Fenty Beauty one is too dry for my skin and the other one is oily, so I just kind of mix them together, and yeah, it came out so nice when I mix them together. Then for concealer, I am applying the All Nighter by Urban Decay, and I'm just blending the concealer out, as you see me doing now. To set my under eyes and my entire face, I am going to be using my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. And yeah, I haven't used this palette in so long, but I forgot how good it was, so I'm gonna start using it more. I will also be bronzing my face with the same palette, and yeah, that's what I'll be doing. For blush, I am using my BH Cosmetic blush palette, and I'm just applying my blush because you cannot forget blush. For lipstick, I am going to be using the color Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics. By the way, I really like this color. It goes really nice with my skin color. I think it's one of my favorite like shades. I usually never wear pink, but this shade is pretty cute. Let me know down below if you guys would like me to do more makeup tutorials using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll do that for you guys. I feel like I will try and do more tutorials using that palette, just because that palette has so many cute, beautiful colors that I'm just obsessed with. Today I just wanted to use something more like dark and like really glam and like, you know, out there. Later on I could do something more simple and settle and more like cute, you know, like not too dramatic. But yeah, I think that's about it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.